So what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, mobile devices, servers, electronic systems, networks, and data from digital attacks, damage, or unauthorized access. Think of it like as you lock your house to protect your valuables, cybersecurity locks your digital world to protect your digital assets, your photos, passwords, bank details, personal messages, everything needs protection. But why is this so important today? Here are the shocking facts. Every 39 seconds, there is a cyber attack somewhere in the world. That's over 2200 attacks per day. In 2024 alone, cybercrime caused over 80 trillion in damages globally. Your personal data is worth money to criminals. Your email and password can sell for $1 on the dark web. Your credit card details up to $110. This is not just about big companies. Individual people like you and me are targets too. Let me give you a real example. Remember, in 2017, a WannaCry ransomware attack happened. It affected over 3 million computers in 150 countries. Hospitals could not access patient records, trains stopped running, and businesses shut down, all because of one cyber attack. This shows that cybersecurity is not just about technology, it affects daily lives, our jobs, our healthcare, everything. What does exactly cybersecurity protect? First, your data. Personal information, financial records, photos, documents, and second, your privacy, preventing unauthorized access to your personal life. Third, your money, protecting against financial fraud and theft. Fourth, your identity, preventing someone from impersonating you. And finally, business operations, keeping companies running smoothly. So, in today's digital world, cybersecurity is not optional, it's essential. Whether you are a student, a professional, or business owner, understanding cybersecurity is like learning to drive safely in traffic. So, in our next video, we will explore the history of famous cyber attacks that changed the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.